Today, we're going to be looking at the element of art line. Click through the presentation and interact with the slides. As you saw in the video of my teacher presentation, lines are a path of a moving point. You're going to be interacting with the slides by choosing the type of line it asks for. You have to click or double tap on the circle to select the circle first, and then drag the circle over to the correct line. You're going to leave your circle over top the answer and move on to the next slide. The only reason I drag mine back to the middle is because I can't give you the answers during this presentation. Your second question is asking about circling the wavy line. So between these two lines, you're going to click on the circle to select it and then drag it over the correct answer. Remember, you're going to leave your circle there. Do not drag it back into the middle. I just can't give you the answers. Last slide for our assignment today is asking you what your favorite line is. You're still going to click to select the circle, but now you have 4 choices. You have to decide which line is your favorite, whether it's the straight line, the loopy line, maybe you actually like the wavy line, or maybe your favorite is the zigzag. Whatever your favorite is, you're going to leave your circle behind it. Remember, do not drag it back to the middle. Great job! Don't forget to submit your art assignment in Google Classroom. And if you'd like to complete a drawing today, feel free to scroll to the bottom of our virtual website page that's been assigned for a How to Draw a Snowman video by Art Hub for Kids.